Hi everyone, so we're continuing with our series of applications that every YouTuber should have. Number one was the YouTube Studio, and today we're going to look at Tag You. Okay, so Tag You is an application that really helps you go into your metadata by giving you keywords. It suggests keywords, it finds competitors, it gets tags from links, and it helps you build backlinks. It's really amazing what it can do. For example, when you open it up, and this application, by the way, is available on both iOS and Android. But let's see a couple of things that it can do to really help you maximize your potential on YouTube. If you go to suggest keywords, in here you can type any keyword in. For example, you can type in, let's just say YouTube. For example, you're making a video about YouTube and you want to see what keywords they're using at YouTube. You can see it ranks them from the first one, from the top keyword that you signed in YouTube. And it says YouTube Rewind 2021. You know that's the second keyword in rankings. So these are the keywords that you have to be targeting. As a matter of fact, I usually use this application to even get YouTube video ideas. For example, I'll take you back to the home. If I want to make a video about, let's say, how to get more views, how to get more views on YouTube. So that's the keyword. Say that's a video idea that I made and I ran out of ideas and I want to create another video. If I say check, it will say how to get more views on YouTube. That's the video we created. How to get more views on YouTube Shorts. All right. So if you're creating videos, this would be your video idea. And then this would be a video idea number 2. So you're going to create how to get more views on YouTube Shorts or how to get more views on YouTube for small YouTubers. These can all be titles to a different video. Leave alone just using all these as keywords or tags for your one video. You could use all these as titles for a video. For example, that will be a video idea for 1, 2, 3, and so on and so forth. I use this application in many different ways. And of course, I'm going to take out, because we're doing this project of how many of applications that every YouTuber should have. All right, let's do the same thing. Applications that every YouTuber should have, and check it. So this thing is going to give you a wealth of information. It's going to give you tags that are best for your video, and you just have to copy them, and you just have to take copy them and paste them into your video. For example, if I go ahead and open the YouTube application here, and I'll go ahead and save video. Find a video, for example, this video right here, and you want to get tags that video has, you just have to go to share, copy the link to that video, and then go in here and then say get tags from URL and set paste. So it pasted this video in there, and it shows us that this video has no keywords. But if it had keywords, they'll be showing up there. So to show you exactly what I'm talking about, we're going to go back and find another video that we think may have tags. For example, I'm going to copy this one by Disney. I'm going to copy the link for it, and I'm going to go back to the application, and I'll say get from, you can see, look at this. It shows you all of them, all the tags and keywords that are on that video. And if you want to use the same exact tags, for example, if you're targeting to be maybe put into suggested videos on the besides this video or anything like that, or you want to rank with this video, all you have to do is go right here and it will copy all these keywords, and you can go paste them, either use them in your description of your video, but you have to make sure you make sense when you do that, or you just copy and paste them straight into your tags of your video and you rank with that video. So I think this is an important application that everybody should have. You could also use it to create backlinks. This is still important in 2021, please. It's still very important. Or you could use them to find the competing videos. For example, we want to see a video that is competing with the keyword YouTube. All right, you just type in YouTube and say check, and it's going to show you a line of videos that are using that. You can see 1 trillion Minecraft views on YouTube and counting. That is the video number 1 that is using keyword YouTube. If you swipe left, you can see the second word that is using the keyword YouTube. The second video that is using the keyword YouTube is going to be this video right here. It says knock knock, who's at the door? And this looks like a kid's video, but it's a second video ranking for the keyword YouTube, right? So it shows you the competitors. It shows you the competitors in every family or on each keyword. And I think you guys need to try this application out. It's really, really important, and I think you should just check it out. It never hurts. It never hurts to have great stuff. So that's the video for today, guys, and I'll be back with a third application that I think is really important and every YouTuber should have. Bye-bye for now.